ABC, ABC monsters. ABC, ABC monsters. ABC monsters.
Learn colors and fruits. Green lime. Yellow lemon. Purple plum. Brown kiwi. Blackberries. Thank you. Learn fruits with ABC monsters. Hi everyone. Here are some plums. Can you help me match the correct fruit in the basket? Is this a plum? No. Is this a plum? I'm afraid not. Oh yes, that's a perfect match. It's a plum. P-L-U-M, plum. Yay! Oh, here are some tangy lemons. Can you help me find the missing lemon? Is this a lemon? No. Is this a lemon? No. Is this a lemon? Yes, we found the lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Yippee! Now we have some oranges. Is this an orange? No, that's a strawberry. Is this an orange? No, that's a pear. We found it. That's an orange-colored fruit. It's an orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Here are some yummy kiwis. Which one of these is a kiwi? Does this look like a kiwi? No, it doesn't. Does this look like a kiwi? Not at all. Yay! That fruit is brown and hairy. It's a kiwi. K-I-W-I, kiwi. Here are some juicy apples. Now, which one of these is an apple? Is this an apple? No, that's an orange. Is this an apple? No, that's a lemon. There you go. We found the apple. It's red and juicy. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Did you have fun learning your fruits? I definitely did. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Purple. Yellow. Cream. Blue. Black. Magenta. Pink. White. Hi. Yellow. Purple. Cream. Red. White.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Hi kids, I'm Cherry Berry. Where is my face? Will you help me? Let's get started. My eyes, where are you? Woo! Here I am, how do you do? I see with my eyes. My mouth, where are you? Here is my mouth. Here I am, how do you do? I speak with my mouth. My nose, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? I smell with my nose. Yay! This is my face. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Alice is at the supermarket. Her mother, Queen Scribbles, has asked her to buy some groceries. But poor Alice has mixed up her vegetables. Will you help her pick the right ones?
Oh dear, I cannot remember my vegetables. I need to buy some carrots.
So Alice picks out 3 vegetables.
Are these carrots? No, this vegetable is purple. Carrots are not purple. Then is it this one? I'm afraid not. Carrots are not green either. It has to be this one. It's orange and long. That's a perfect match. These are carrots. Yay! We got the carrots. Now we need some green peas. So green peas. We have a clue here. This vegetable is green. This vegetable is red. It's not green, so it can't be the green peas. What about this one? Oh, silly me. This vegetable is brown. Yes, that's green. Yay! We found the green peas. And finally, I need some eggplant. Is this the eggplant? No, I don't think so. This vegetable is green. Eggplants are not green. What about this? I think these are tomatoes. We have only one option left. Yes, that's the eggplant.
Collecting all her vegetables, Alice happily goes to the till and pays her bill for her carrots, green peas and eggplant.
Yay! I got all the vegetables I need. Thank you for helping me, friends. See you soon.
5 funny monsters jumping on the bed. A fell off and bumped his head. Brian called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monsters jumping on the bed." 4 funny monsters jumping on the bed. B fell off and bumped his head. Brian called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monsters jumping on the bed." 3 funny monsters jumping on the bed. C fell off and bumped his head. Brian called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monsters jumping on the bed." 2 funny monsters jumping on the bed. D fell off and bumped his head. So Brian called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monsters jumping on the bed." 1 funny monster jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. So Brian called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monsters jumping on the bed."